In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit tags in Sprout Social. Editing tags can be crucial for managing and organizing your social media content more effectively, so let's walk through the steps together. First, you'll need to start by opening up your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or whichever browser you feel most comfortable using. Once your browser is open, move to the address bar at the top and type in Sprout Social. Hit Enter, and you should see Sprout Social's official website appear among the top search results. Once you've located the Sprout Social link, the next step is to click on it to open the website. If you've already signed up for Sprout Social, you'll want to hit the Sign In button. However, if you're new to the platform and haven't created an account yet, go ahead and click Sign Up to set one up. It's always a good idea to keep your login information handy for moments like these. After you've successfully logged into your account, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of your screen. Here, you'll find the Account and Settings section. Clicking here will open up a menu where you'll see the Settings option. Go ahead and select this to open a page containing various settings for your account. In this Settings section, you'll notice a tab labeled Tags under the Global Features category. Clicking here is going to take you to the main interface where you can add, edit, or manage your existing tags. You'll also need to make sure you select the specific group you wish to make changes to. Whether you're adding a new tag for better organization or just tweaking an existing one, this is where you'll want to be. Now, if you're focusing on updating an existing tag, you'll need to locate the tag you want to modify. Hover your cursor over it until you see an ellipsis or the three dots icon appear. Clicking on this icon will present you with several options. What we're interested in here is the option to edit. Selecting it will allow you to update the tag as needed. Once you're satisfied with your changes, be sure to save them to ensure all updates are applied. And there you have it, a simple yet comprehensive guide to editing tags in Sprout Social. Keeping your tags well organized can make a world of difference in managing your social media strategies, and now you have these steps to refer back to whenever you need to make adjustments. Thanks for following along, and I hope this walkthrough helps in optimizing your experience with Sprout Social.